could only mean one thing. Septic going down. Look at that. It's a story for another day. Let's go. Well, I like working close. Schedule got jacked up with the rain and everything like that, and so over the hill we're going to dig that septic. It's Monday, and Mondays, that's a real deal. In case of the Mondays, other Mondays are worse than others, and this is about a 6 on the 10 scale. Just not wanting to do this. You gotta find your motivation though. You gotta look past, go onto a different horizon and just think where you're gonna be tomorrow or the next day. And every day's not gonna be the best, every day's not gonna be great. Try to make the best out of it. I always look at it this way, I could be in a wheelchair or something like that. Here's our site. You remember I showed you this one driving down the road. He's going to do 5 of them here. We got them all here. Dump truck, pickup truck. Water companies here putting their water line in. Hammer and the boys are getting with it. This one here is going to be a walk in park compared to the last one we just did. Was 72 by, I think we dug it 22. This one's 72 by 10 because this has got such a good load rating. It's basically, we're down here in this valley. It's all sand and gravel, which super glad. Well, I was hoping, because I don't think we have outlet for fall for any drainage. So it's just the kind of things you hope for when you're in the septic world. Got all kinds of equipment on this job. 2 minis, 2 skid. Oh no, wait, 3 minis. Free cheese conies. That's a bastard story. I go on, he's got to find the rhythm. Got our pipes in. What time is it? 1? 1 o'clock?
Yeah.
All right. Time to sand them. You guys ain't getting much out of me today, video-wise, because it's a Monday. And that's a real thing. And my battery's about donesies. So you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. Bryden was house sitting and he killed the guy's cat. I told him he has that effect on that type of stuff. Well, she's sanded. We gotta get her plumbed, and then you know that we gotta do that to it, and then seed and straw it, and then from there to there, so it's called the mother load. Pour by her tongue and slice it. We're getting it. We got to hook that up. It's new construction. Kind of rough it up and we'll be off with it. Ryan's over there getting with it on his little 259. Whew! Did you cut her tongue off? Now she can't talk. That's how we like it. Here it is, roughed in, finished product pretty much. Like I said, new construction. I'm gonna leave that high, let them back grade that. I didn't give you much today. I didn't have much to give Monday. And, I think it's 4 o'clock. I was just wanting into it. But if you guys made it this far, we're a true family. You just want to be here. Like I said, come along with me a day in the life of, and it's what you got. I didn't even feel like taking the camera with me, so you got something. I might put it up, might not. If I do, right, units?
Yep.
Till the next adventure. Stick with me. I have no clue where we're going to be. Do you, Harry? Harry's going back to school. To the next one. Bang, bang, bang.